Hi, welcome back. We just made it to the hotel. Bus is supposed to be here at like 8:45, I think. I'm gonna take a shower and pretty much head out. Maybe eat something out there. I don't know. I bought a cute shirt. If you know me, you know I'm a Poppy stan. Shout out to my niece that I'm always, you know, standing Poppy because of her. So yeah, see ya in Universal. We are back, and I'm already annoyed with people. So cool. ¿Cómo fue Hulk?
Good.
Babiada, babiada.
Todavía, mira, ajá.
Qué feo, qué feo. Spider-Man. Let's go to Spider-Man. It's so adorable. Isn't it adorable?
It is.
I already have a Super Nintendo World, like a giant Mario Kart. I don't use it, but I can have this one next to it. She already got her wand out.
I need to remake this picture.
Oh, they turn on the light. Really just texted me, are you stuck to? I want everything. You're not a fan of truffle? If you don't know me, I'm a huge musical theater fan, so this is my kind of shit. What just happened? You got distracted?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's you. Anyway, before my friend so rudely interrupted me, I was saying that I'm so excited for this movie. Girl, shut up. You're dominating my audio. Love Wicked. I know like 85% of the songs, so I'm ready for it. It's not a YouTube channel. Dame un review.
Like lemonade.
Are you ready for the mummy? Anyway, we're going to the shop. And then we're leaving because we're tired. And I have to wake up at like 3 a.m. So we did a lot though. It's 4:30. Anywho, let's go and look for Wicked merchandise. This is my favorite Spirit jersey ever. Look at that. Shit University. And this is right here.